Hello guys, welcome to another video, welcome to another blog and etc. So guys, this is a iron. Uh, it washes it iron clothes. It's the most important thing. I think I am talking about this iron because how it is used, how it is importance. Um, this is a valuable thing of our generation because we need to um, uh, iron our clothes. So it is 100% necessary to our life. So I called this is a part of our life. So if you are a new viewer to our channel, to do subscribes, likes and comments. So guys, I will describe to so guys, I will describe to you the iron qualifications. So continue with us. So guys, this is a Marathi irons. It has been invented 25 years ago. uh, my family, my parents buy this iron when I was not born. So this is the best iron in our house because it is the most uh, senior in this house. So guys, this is a regulator. It is off when left turn you get uh, high power, and it is a high this that is off. And when it is left right turn, you get a power, hit the iron and hit the it is the high level of iron. So guys, this is a plastic body, and this is a iron ispat, and this is a plate. And when this is a cable, it around to the clothes. This is a short circuit. When it put down to electricity, it's it it could be hot. When this iron is hot, um, uh, your clothes iron this is um, so so guys, this is the most important thing because we are going to our parents, and we are going to our neighborhoods and going neighborhoods homes, and we are going to our dating. So I think this is good important, and it is very necessary to us because when I was going to inside of house, so this is then clothes our iron and clothe our shirt, pants and other things. I think it is the most beautiful and most important things and part of our life. So guys, I hope this video will uh, helpful to others. So thank you, kindly subscribe to our channel. Dhanyabad.